Haligan Bar today. The Haligan Bar being one of the primary forcible entry tools for firefighters. Generally it is married with the 8-pound flat-headed axe. Together they're called the irons. Mike, do you know where the Haligan Bar got its name from?
I do not.
Okay. Probably back in the 40s or 50s, Chief Hugh Haligan from the FDNY took two tools that they were primarily using for forcible entry. He took the Kelly tool and he took the claw tool. Claw tool has a fork end on it and had a giant claw or a giant hook on one end. The Kelly tool had what we now know as the adze end on this end. The issue was back then the doors weren't as substantial as they are today. So the claw tool, while it gave you the leverage with the fork, did not give you the striking surface to drive it into the frames that we encounter today. So back then with the wooden frames, you could take the claw tool, you could bury it into the door jamb between the door and the jamb, and you're able to use the leverage to pop the door. With today's doors, some of them being metal, some of them being solid, you need to have a striking surface, which is now this adze end, to be able to drive the tool. So Chief Hugh Haligan originally took the original Haligan tool and he combined the adze end of the Kelly tool and the fork end of the claw tool together and made it one piece. It's a one forged piece of steel. So you'll notice this one that we use, it is not welded and it's not riveted like some of the other tools, okay? And what's good about that is it does not give us points of weakness. Your other tools, commonly known as hooligan tools, because they're riveted or they're welded, those are points of failure. Okay, some common terminology with our Haligan Bar is we talk about the bevel side, when we talk about the bevel side going towards the door for the internal or door that swings inward, and we talk about the concave side. Okay, we also notice with the adze end, we have something similar.